Making the right choice. How to decide between multiple job offers. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we help you level up your English and prepare for various situations like job interviews. Today, we're diving into an exciting but also stressful topic: handling multiple job offers. More specifically, we'll focus on the making a final decision part. So, if you find yourself fortunate enough to have more than one job offer on the table, this video will guide you through how to make the best decision for you. Before making a decision, it's crucial to evaluate your personal and career priorities. What matters most to you? Is it the salary, job location, work-life balance, or career advancement opportunities? Make a list of your top priorities and rank them in order of importance. This will serve as a guide when you're comparing the offers. Once you've identified your priorities, the next step is to make a pros and cons list for each job offer. Write down everything that you consider a positive or negative aspect for each job. Remember to look beyond just the salary and benefits. Consider factors like company culture, the team you'll work with, and even the daily commute. Sometimes it helps to get an outside perspective. Talk to friends, family, or mentors who know you well and can provide insightful advice. They might see things from an angle you haven't considered. Don't underestimate the value of a second opinion. Before making your final decision, remember that almost everything is negotiable. If one job offer is almost perfect but lacks in one area, such as salary or benefits, don't hesitate to go back to the employer and negotiate. Negotiation is a normal part of the job offer process, and it's better to address your needs up front. Last but not least, trust your gut feeling. Sometimes, all the lists and advice in the world can't replace your intuition. If something feels off about a job offer or a company, it probably is. On the flip side, if a job makes you excited and you can see yourself thriving there, that's a good sign. Choosing between multiple job offers can be a difficult decision, but remember, it's a good problem to have. Take your time, evaluate your options carefully, and don't rush into a decision. You're investing in your future, so choose wisely. I hope you found this video helpful, and I wish you the best of luck in your career journey. See you in the next video.